In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect HubSpot to Zapier with Google Ads step by step. This is a simple way to build automations between your CRM and your ad workflows so you can save time, stay organized, and keep your marketing data flowing smoothly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Zapier in your browser. Once Zapier opens, click on Create. This is where you start building a new automation, also known as a Zap. After that, click on Zap Workflows. That will take you into the main workflow builder where you can set up your trigger and action steps. Now, you'll begin with the trigger. Click on Trigger to choose the app that starts the automation. In the search bar, type HubSpot and select it from the results. Once HubSpot is selected, you'll need to choose an event. You can pick any event that fits your workflow, depending on what you want Zapier to watch for inside HubSpot. After selecting the event, log into your HubSpot account and complete the connection. That's it for the trigger setup. Next, it's time to set up the action. Click on Action to add the next step in your Zap. In the app search bar, type Google Ads and select it. Then click on Choose an Event and select the action that matches what you want Google Ads to do in your automation. Just like before, log into your Google Ads account and finish the connection process. Once both apps are connected, Zapier can move data from HubSpot into your Google Ads workflow. After that, click on Build It at the top. This is where Zapier helps finalize your automation using the settings you've chosen. Review the setup carefully so everything looks correct. If you want to make sure the integration works properly, click on Test Run. This will let you check whether the connection is working as expected before you turn it on. If the test looks good, the final step is to click Publish. Once published, your Zap will be live and ready to automate tasks between HubSpot, Zapier, and Google Ads. And that's how you connect HubSpot to Zapier with Google Ads. It really is that simple when you break it down into a few clear steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.